Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're flying high with Hamilton's latest pilot's watch, the Khaki Aviation X-Wind Day Date Auto. This is a serious piece of kit built for adventurers who value bold design, useful features, and rock-solid reliability. At 45 millimeters across and 12.8 millimeters thick, this stainless steel case has real presence on the wrist. You get a screw-down crown, 100 meters of water resistance, and a sapphire crystal with double anti-reflective coating for top-notch legibility in any light. What sets the X-Wind apart is its system of rotating bezels, designed to calculate drift angles in flight. The crown at 4 o'clock controls the upper internal bezel, the crown at 2 o'clock adjusts the lower one, and a dedicated window highlights your reading. Pair that with the external bezel, and you've got an authentic pilot navigation tool, provided you know your wind speed, direction, and bearings. The dial takes inspiration from the Northern Lights, glowing in a deep green tone. Large Arabic numerals, a day-date window at 9 o'clock, and nickel-plated hands filled with superluminova keep everything highly legible. It's colorful, yet still very functional. A hallmark of the X-Wind line. Inside beats Hamilton's H30 automatic movement, based on the ETA C07.111. It delivers an impressive 80-hour power reserve and uses a Nivacron balance spring for added anti-magnetic protection. The watch is finished with a brown leather strap with rivets and a pin buckle, giving it that classic vintage aviator feel. The Khaki Aviation X-Wind Day Date Auto reference H77735560 retails at 1,080 Swiss francs or 1,245 euros. If you're after a bold pilot's watch with real functionality and Hamilton's rugged charm, this could be your next cockpit companion. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you never miss our latest watch reviews.